Cycling down Park Avenue usually involves a mess of traffic and taxi cabs. But today the people are taking over thanks to an initiative called Summer Streets. With me is Danny Simons from New York City's Department of Transportation. What is Summer Streets?
Summer Streets is a series of days during the summer where we close about 7 miles of city streets from the Brooklyn Bridge to Central Park and open them up for people to walk, run, rollerblade, bike, just hang out, take a dance class, do whatever they want. This is the day where we give the streets back to people.
Are there any other cities in the world that do this sort of thing?
Definitely. We based this program off of a very popular program in, of all places, Bogota, Colombia. They have something called Ciclovia, and now every Sunday they close about 70 miles of city streets for people to play and hang out.
We're seeing a lot of bikes going back and forth. Where did all these bikes come from?
Well, believe it or not, a lot of New Yorkers actually own bikes, and we're trying to get more of them out on the street riding them more often. And then for the people who don't have bikes, we actually have, thanks to the Dutch government and thanks to a local bike shop called Hub Station, we have about 180 free bikes along the route that people are able to check out and rent for free to take up and down.
What has been the biggest success of this whole thing?
I think the biggest success of this whole thing is just really how many people have come out for this event. Last year we probably had about 50,000 people each of the 3 weeks. This year I think it's even bigger than that. And the people who have told me, I never thought you could bike in New York. I never would have come out and walked around. I never would have done this before. And I think it's really inspirational to people, and it's really fantastic. When I see little kids out on their bikes riding safely down New York City streets, I feel like we've done a really good thing.